Alright, in this video we'll be talking about how to divide and simplify an equation. So let's start simple. Let's start with this term, this monomial, 3 over 15x. Now, when you're given a fraction like this, you want to ask yourself, what number can you divide from the numerator and the denominator? Well, when I look at this problem, I know that 3 can be divided by 3, and 15 can also be divided by 3. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the fraction and multiply 3 in the denominator, 3 in the numerator, excuse me, and 3 in the denominator. Don't forget about the x. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this becomes 1 over 5x. Alright, now let's take that same idea and use that information to simplify this equation. Alright, so you see in this equation I have 3 fractions that I want to try and simplify. The first fraction is 16 over 4. So I'm going to ask myself, what number can I divide by the numerator, or can I divide into the numerator, excuse me, and what number can I divide into the denominator? Now when I look at 16 and 4, I know that 4 divided by 4 will give me 1, and 16 divided by 4 will give me 4. So check it out. I'm going to divide 4 from the numerator and 4 from the denominator. Don't forget about the x. Now the next fraction that I need to look at is 18 over 6. Now, again, I'm going to look for a number that can divide into the numerator evenly and divide into the denominator evenly. Now, you might be getting the hang of this at this point. So you might have already realized that 18 can be divided by 6, and 6 can be divided by 6. The last fraction I need to look at is 8 over 12. And again, you might be getting good at this already. 8 can be divided by 4, and 12 can be divided by 4. So now I'm gonna simplify all of this by dividing. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Alright, but you know that 4 over 1 is just the same thing as 4. Don't forget about the x. I'm going to bring the x down, so I have 4x. Moving on, I have 18 divided by 6, which is 3. And 6 divided by 6 is 1, but you know that 3 over 1 is the same thing as just 3. Last but not least, this is equal to 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So my answer, or when I simplify this equation, I have 4x minus 3 is equal to 2 over 3.
Shine bright like a diamond. Fine light in a beautiful sea. I chose to be happy.